Good evening.
Hello, my name is... Oh shit, I almost said Michael. My name is Christian Oslop. Welcome back to this new sellout video. Today, we have something very, very special. You see this? And today we're installing it in this thing, and we'll see how this will turn out, because it's huge as fuck. And like, you have to see this.
Враг сзади по левому флангу!
Alright, let's unbox this bitch. This is something called first aid kit cutting tool. It's actually quite sharp, not gonna lie. Okay, so in this kit we have this for the universal kit stuff. So we have a bunch of these. This is the back plate, and these are actually attached. This is the mounting thing. We have a monster 120 millimeter. Yep. CPU cooler from Cooler Master. And no, this video is not sponsored. So, why am I doing this? Well, I already did a video on this, and well, you see, kind of failed miserably. Take this, you take the tissue. But hey, it doesn't matter. So this is a CPU. What it does is, like, I don't know. Say, oh shit.
Oh shit!
Hold up. So, give me the camera. Take this one. And take this one. And what's the weight difference?
This one is a lot light. Lighter, yeah.
So this is aluminum,
Mm.
and this is copper and aluminum. And that is a very, very thick block right here. Like if you turn both of these around, this is a thick block, this is another thick block. Alright, I have to do my best to not fuck everything up. Massage it around. We're gonna do it on the GPU now. Do I have... Ow, 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 ow. Jebati. Right, så. Nu tror jag Benita kan.
Mm.
You never asked me how it's like being a sellout. Cool. Oh, this one went out as well. Alright. Damn, look at this die. Then this goes right on top. Yeah, and so I went out and got this cooler, which is much bigger and actually is normal, which means this entire block fits this CPU correctly. Yeah, I should have thought about that at the very beginning. Includes coronavirus. Alright, let's get on with it. Okay, the first order of business is how this will fit. So, I guess it will fit here, so it'll be just next to the RAM. So, yeah, let's get on with it. Oh yeah, if you plan on doing this, don't do it without the waist strap or the wrist strap, however it's called. There we go. You go out. Mic, speakers, your mom. So I've disassembled this computer 1,000 times. So I know this is not the best cable management, but hey, at least I tried. Actually, would you mind borrowing me your phone to see where everything goes? Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
Zapam'ycie, koliko ih imaš.
Bit. Okay, now we're gonna try pull it out. Okay. And now put it here. That is a very small board. Okay, now how to do my best not to pull out the CPU from its socket. Oh shit, this is on there tight. Shit. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but there is a socket. There you go. Alright, we got that out of the way. Considering how bad it looked the first time, this is by far the best one. Good, it's clean. Alright, let's pull out the user manual, see what's in there. Oh yeah, while we're at it, let's compare the fan sizes. Yup. Okay.
No sleep tonight. It's getting darker, don't turn out the lights. I'm trying to find
Feeling montage. So, we have some thermal compound E2 from the same brand, yeah. I'm such an idiot. Will the pressure would be enough to, like, yeah. Oh well, let's try. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I think that's a bit too much. And now, the big boy. Oh shit. Let's lock it into place. Test it out. Alright, let's install this bitch. Alright, it fell in place. That's good. Now let's put it in. You bitch. Alright. Mr. Cameraman. You, my friend, do the honors. Okay. Power. Pretty nice. However, I don't care about the light, I care about the temperature. Shit. So, while it's booting up, let's talk about this channel. First of all, it's shit. Complete garbage. Utter complete garbage. Why? Because I just became a sellout. Why is that? Why again? Well, I do more unboxing than gaming. But, on the bright side, at least I'll have the motivation to record some weird ass shit. Oh hi. Good evening.
I've grown tired of looking at your ugly face.
Hear that? So, how can we close up the video? You don't know what you